Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to use Kahoot. If you are a student or a participant, you can get a game pin from your teachers. If you're not a participant and you want to create a game, just click on kahoot.com. Here, you just need to click on the sign up for free button. Here, you can choose between teacher, student, personal, or professional. But I think I'm gonna use teacher. Then you need to choose between school, higher education, school administration, or business. I think I'm gonna go to school. Next, here, you can just sign up or sign in. You can continue Google, Microsoft, Apple, or So Clever. Then, you just need to click the button sign up. Here, you can subscribe for a better Kahoot experience. But you can also use it for free. Next, just put on your name and then click save and continue. You can create your Kahoot game by clicking the create button. Here, you can make a lot of kinds of games in Kahoot. Just click on the create button to create a raw Kahoot. Here, what you need to do is just click on the plus button to add pictures. Then here, you can put on your answer to the questions. This is some of the buttons that you can use to make your Kahoot much more interesting. If you are done with your game, just click on the save button and save it and also share it with your students. Thank you. Bye-bye.